In this video, I'll show you how to get a Shopify free trial. First, go to Shopify's official website and click Start Free Trial. Shopify currently says new users can try the platform free for 3 days, and no credit card is required to begin. That makes it easy to open a store and explore the dashboard before committing to a paid plan. Once you click the trial button, enter your email address, create your login details, and choose a name for your store. Shopify may also ask a few setup questions, like what you plan to sell, whether you already have a business, and where you want to sell. These questions help build your store dashboard, but the process is usually straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After that, Shopify creates your store and takes you straight into the admin area. During the free trial, use the time to set up the important parts of your store. You can choose a theme, upload products, build collections, edit your homepage, create your store navigation, and review your shipping and payment settings. This is the best time to test how Shopify works and decide what features you actually need before choosing a paid plan. Another helpful thing to know is that if you choose a monthly plan during the trial, Shopify says you still won't be charged until the free trial ends. So signing up for a plan early does not remove the remaining trial time or erase the work you already completed in the store. If you decide not to continue, Shopify says that if you don't select a monthly plan by the end of the trial, your store is paused until you choose one. And if you want to stop completely while still in the trial period, you can cancel the trial from Settings, then Plan, by choosing Cancel Trial. So the simple process is this. Go to Shopify's website, start the free trial, create your store, use the trial period to build and test everything, and then decide whether you want to move to a paid plan. That's how to get a Shopify free trial. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.